So one of the most popular application, which is very well fitted from a SME point of view, is a SureDesk. So SureDesk, the first instance which we have built was around for a customer complaints management. So most of the customers, most of our clients have some kind of application by which the invoices could be sent, by which the order can be sent. But when it comes to customer complaints management, there was hardly any software application which we have, which they had. So we came up with this interesting software application. This is at a high level, it's primarily a workflow engine, and let me get into the depth of this. So the idea is that any kind of a customer complaints which has, how can the customer themselves can raise an issue ticket in our client's uh, website, and how the ticket can then be routed to the different personnel within the company depending on what issue they have. And in this case also, apart from the typical workflow, we have also using a lot of documentation. So any kind of documentation, be it the invoice, be it the delivery challan, be it the drawing which the customer may have, how to extract that some data from that and populate into our workflow engine so that it is not the user need not enter all the data manually. So there's less room for error. So that is one of the key things which we have done. And once the customer issue has been raised, how do we track it across to the sales rep, across to the warehouse person, across to the somebody who is in charge of the delivery, how the information is seamlessly passing, and how the TAT or the SLA can be managed. So that is how what we can do within our software also. And the key benefit I want to highlight, this is completely a configurable tool, and I want to show you some more things which we have done with this. And it improves the SLA of the customer, and this will in turn lead to better ROI in case the cust- customers are happy. The SLAs are good. The turnaround time is good. I think there is a direct impact on the revenue of the customer as well. It improves the transparency. Nobody has to call somebody. Nobody has to WhatsApp somebody what happened to my issue, who's working on that. It is all within our software application. Somebody can see what is happening there and then take action on that. It enables self service. For example, with the customer themselves, any kind of people within the company can work on it. And the most important part is the analytics. So that I think is very important. For example, after 6 months, after 1 year, if you really want to know what has been my SLA across the different time, who has been working on what, are people fulfilling the SLAs or not? So our software gives a quick glance of those SLA as well. We have built a beautiful analytics layer from our various data which we get, and you see some screenshot of some of the application which we have built. Coming to the other use cases which can be linked to this, and it was very interesting use case. We were talking to a chemical company, and that company had a R&D team, and that R&D team also had some kind of a need of how the workflow needs to be managed, right from the ideation to the inception to the execution of new chemical formula which they would wanted to do. And for this also, we had enabled a similar kind of a workflow using the same engine which we have, so that we can keep a cost low, and the same cost we can pass it on to the client also. And the workflow we have configured, the fields we have configured, the data which was extracted from the various Excel file which they had was configured. But the end goal was a similar, that how do you improve the TAT, how do you improve the SLA, how do you improve the transparency while keeping the cost low. So this was one example of the SureDesk application which we have highly configured across multiple customer base which we have. So that's one of the things.